It's another beautiful day in Central Florida to talk about a portable mortgage. If you have a great mortgage rate, big news came out recently. Right now, 80% of homeowners have an interest rate under 6%, and many are even at 4% or lower. That rate is amazing. However, it can also serve as your golden handcuffs. What does that mean? Your rate lock. And what does that mean? It means that you feel trapped in your home because trading up or trading on means trading your 3% rate for a higher, maybe 6 or 7% rate. Officials at the Federal Housing Finance Agency are looking at a new radical fix called the portable mortgage. You thought the 50-year mortgage was a big idea? Well, here's another idea that might actually be worth talking about: a portable mortgage. Here's the concept. When you sell your home, you get to carry your low interest rates to your new property. It's not an assumable loan. It's the opposite of an assumable loan. With an assumable loan, the buyer takes your rate. With a portable mortgage, you take the rate to your next house. The goal is to ultimately unfreeze the market and let people move and move on. Let's play out a hypothetical scenario. Let's say that you have a $500,000 mortgage at 4% rate of interest. You sell a house and you buy a newer, bigger house for $750,000. Your portable loan only covers that $500,000 at 4% rate of interest. You have to get a second loan, a new loan, for that extra $250,000, probably at today's rate. So you would end up with something called a blended rate. Okay, why is this not available today? Well, there are two huge hurdles according to the experts. First, it's going to change the whole entire mortgage system as we know it today. Our current system relies on loans being paid off, so when people move on, so does the investors. They get their money back. If loans just travel from house to house to house, it's going to create havoc for the whole entire financial architecture as it stands today. Secondly, it doesn't solve the core issue, which is affordability. I covered this topic in another video, so be sure to check that out. Remember, the portability idea only helps people who already have low rate interest. Renters and first-time buyers whose median age is now a record high at 40 years of age are still facing today's high prices and rates. So what does that mean for us here in Ocala? Economists agree that while portability would unlock some activity and free up inventory, it's not a magic fix for the housing crisis. It could be a great tool for people who already own a home, but it leaves our first-time buyers out in the cold. I find this whole entire discussion and idea really fascinating. It's going to be really interesting to see what, if anything, happens with this proposal. If they could figure out the money side of this, it truly is going to be a game changer. If you follow me and subscribe, I'll be sure to keep you updated every step of the way on this story. My goal is to keep you in the loop, all things real estate. I go the distance to find out the most balanced solution for your real estate goals, whether it's using today's best tools or preparing for tomorrow's changes. So what do you think? Should the government change the system and let us move on? Do you think that this potential change will work and help the economy? Let me know in the comments. If you'd like to see more real estate insights, like this video and smash that subscribe button. If you're ready to buy or sell, let's talk strategy. I'm Wendy Harp, your local realtor in Ocala. I'll see you at the finish line.